How to add music to WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can add music to WhatsApp status. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, make sure to open up WhatsApp, and if you tap on your add status option and if you check in there, WhatsApp does not have a built-in feature for adding music directly to your status. So for that, alternatively, you have to follow some other approach in order to add music on your WhatsApp status. The first method is to use other application or the video editing application such as InShot or CapCut that will help you add music to an image. After that, you can add the same image to your status. So install the application either InShot or CapCut from your Play Store. After that, you have to open up the application. So for this video, I will just use CapCut. Tap a new project. Then from your gallery, you have to select photo or video that you want to upload. Then tap on add. After that, tap on the music or the audio option from the menu bar at the bottom, and here tap on sounds. Here you can scroll through various sounds, or you can search through the sounds in the search bar and select the song that you would like to add in your image. Tap on the download icon, and once the song is downloaded, tap on add. Once the music is added, you can edit the music or the image the way you want. So if you want to expand this image in order to match with the length of your music, you have to tap on the image and expand it. And you can select the preferred length of the music the way you want. You can split the music and delete the remaining part. Once you're done adding your preferred music in your preferred image, then tap on export at the top right corner. Now you have to wait until the image gets exported with your preferred music. Now once it is saved in your gallery, you can open up WhatsApp. Tap on add status, then select the video that you have exported recently. Now you have your image with your preferred song, then you can add this in your status. So this is the way to add music in WhatsApp status, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.